Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is rules of derivative. There are two rules of derivative: multiplication rules of derivative and divide rules of derivative. First of all, we take an example of multiplication rule of derivative. The multiplication rule of derivative is that d by dx of u into v. We left u derivative of v plus we left v derivative of v, means that we left first function and take the derivative of second plus left the second function take the derivative first, means that फर्स्ट को लेफ्ट करेंगे सेकेंड का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे प्लस सेकेंड को लेफ्ट करेंगे फर्स्ट का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. सी एग्जाम्पल नंबर 15. फाइंड dy by dx if y equal to x square ex. Here x square is the first function, we consider is the first function, and e raised to x is the second function. We rewrite the questions again in our solution. Y equal to x square into ex. There are multiplication between x square and ex, so we use here multiplication rule. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx equal to d by dx of x square ex. X square is a first function or e raised to x is a second function. First of all, we left x square, take the derivative of e raised to x, or secondly we left e raised to x, take the derivative of x square. So see, this is a statement: left first function, differentiate second, plus left second function, differentiate first function. This is the multiplication rules of derivative. This is the multiplication rule of derivative. Okay, as we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, so in place of derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, or for the taking the derivative of x square, we know the derivative of x square is 2x by using the formula d by dx of x raised to n, which is n x raised to n minus 1, means that first of all we write power, after that we less it by 1. So here is power is 2. Okay, here power is 2, so we write power, or after that we less 2 by 1, it is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Or after this take e raised to x common, and also x is common from both term, so we take x e raised to x common, so from this side become x, or from this side become only 2. See example number 16. If y equal to x e raised to x, find dy by dx. So you can do yourself. First function is x and another function is e raised to x. See example number 17. Here first function is e raised to x, another function is sin x. So we give it e raised to x, we consider e raised to x first function, sin x is a second function. Differentiate, first of all we write it is in our solution y equal to e raised to x sin x by using multiplication rule. Here is we use multiplication rule. So we know that derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of this e raised to x sin x. Multiplication rule is this here: left first function differentiate second plus left second function differentiate first function. Okay, so here is e raised to x is a first function, sin x is a second function. So we left e raised to x first function because it is first function. Take the derivative of sin x, or after that left this sin x, take the derivative of e raised to x. See here, as we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, or derivative of sin x is cos x. So in place of derivative of sin x is cos x, or in place of derivative of e raised to is e raised to x. Okay. See, one thing is here, e raised to x and e raised to x is a common in both term. Take its common from both term. Cos x is remaining from first term, or sin x is remaining from second term. See example number 18. If y equal to e raised to x tan x, so e raised to x is a function, first function, tan x is a second function, find dy by dx. We use multiplication rule here. Differentiate with respect to x. Take d by dx on both sides. As we know that derivative of y is dy by dx, and dy by dx of e raised to x tan x. We left first function, take the derivative of tan x. We left tan x, take the derivative of e raised to x. Because e raised to x is a first function, tan x is a second function. So what is our rule is that left first function differentiate second plus left second function differentiate first. Derivative, we know that derivative of tan x is sec square x. See here, derivative of tan x is sec square x, and again derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So derivative of 10x is sec square x, or derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Take e raised to x common from both term. 10x sec square x is remaining from first term, 10x is remaining from second term. See another example. Example number 19. Find the derivative of x sin inverse x with respect to x. Here with respect to x. Here rewrite in your solution, differentiate on both sides. We know that derivative of y is dy by dx or dy by dx of x sin inverse x. X is a first function, sin inverse x is a second function. Now turn over page. X is the first function, that's why we left x, or take the derivative of sin inverse x, plus left second function sin inverse x, take the derivative of x. As we know that the multiplication rule. See here, derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square x, and derivative of x is 1. So we write here derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square x, and derivative of x is 1. X into 1 is x, so that's why there is x. Or sin inverse x into 1 is sin inverse x. Now finish this example. See another example, number 20. Y equal to e raised to x sin inverse x, find dy by dx. So e raised to x is a first function, sin inverse x is a second function. Take derivative on both sides. We know that derivative of y is dy by dx of e raised to x sin inverse x. Left first function e raised to x, take the derivative of second. After that, left second, take the derivative of first. This is our multiplication rule. Left first function differentiate second plus left second function differentiate first function. पहले को छोड़ेंगे, दूसरे का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे, प्लस दूसरे को छोड़ेंगे, फर्स्ट का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. और फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज e raised to x, और सेकेंड फंक्शन इज sin inverse x. तो we'll have first function derivative of second plus we'll have second function derivative of first. Or we know that derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Or as we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this become like that. We write here one step here, e raised to x. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square x plus sin inverse x. Or derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Take this e raised to x common. So we got this step. See example number 21. Y equal to e raised to x tan inverse x, find dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. As we know that derivative of y is dy by dx, or dy by dx of x, e raised to x tan inverse x. E raised to x is first function, tan inverse x is the second function. So we'll have first function, take the derivative of second, plus we'll have second function, take the derivative of first. See, our rule is there here, left first function differentiate second plus left second function differentiate first. As we know that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, from our formula tan inverse x is as it is, a derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Take e raised to x is common from both term. We got 1 upon 1 plus x square from first term, or tan inverse x is from second term. See example number 22. Y equal to x tan in x, find dy by dx. To solve this as your own. See example number 23. Y equal to sin x into cos 2x, find dy by dx. So here cos 2x is a composite function. So differentiate on both sides. See, differentiate on both sides. After differentiating on both sides, as we know that derivative of y is dy by dx, or dy by dx of sin x into cos 2x. So our rule is that left first function differentiate second plus left second function differentiate first. This is sin x is a first term, first function, cos 2x is a second function. So we left first, take the derivative of second, plus we left second, take the derivative of first. Or as we know that cos 2x is a composite function, so derivative of cos 2x is sin 2x. Or we take again derivative of this 2x because of composite function, cos 2x is a composite function. or we know that derivative of sin x is cos x, or from this arrangement we got these two steps. See example number 24. Y equal to x square plus 2x into sin x. X square plus 2x is a first function, sin 3x is a second function. Here sin 3x is also a composite function. Okay, x square plus 2x is a first function, sin 3x is a second function. We left first function, take the derivative of second, plus we left second function, take the derivative of first. Left, because our rule is that left first function, take differentiation of second, plus left second function, differentiate first. Now see here sin 3x is a our composite function. We know that the derivative of sin 3x is cos 3x, or because sin 3x is a composite function, that's why we take again derivative of this 3x. See here x raised to 4 plus 2x. As we know that derivative of x raised to n, which is n x raised to n minus 1. By using this formula, derivative of x raised to 4 is 3x raised cube, 4x cube, sorry, here is 4x cube plus 2. Here is also 4. 4x cube plus 3. Derivative of 3x is 3. This is 4x cube plus 3. Here is also 4x cube plus 3. Or this 3 we write in front. See example number 25. Here is both function e raised to 4x and cos 3x are both composite function because of 4x and 3x. E raised to 4x is composite function because of 4x. Cos 3x is a composite function because of 3x. We apply same rule here. Left first function differentiate second plus left second function differentiate first. Means that फर्स्ट को लेफ्ट करेंगे, सेकंड का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे, प्लस सेकंड को लेफ्ट करेंगे, फर्स्ट का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. तो हियर फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज e raised to 4x, सेकंड फंक्शन इज cos 3x. तो we left first function, take the derivative of second, plus we left second function, take the derivative of first. As we know that derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x, again derivative of 3x, because it is a composite function. Or as we know that e raised to 4x is also, both function are composite here. E raised to 4x, derivative of e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x, and we take again derivative of 4x because of composite function. Or as we know that derivative of 3x is 3, or derivative of 4x is 4. Or take e raised to 4x, e raised to 4x, common from both terms. See here, e raised to 4x common from both terms, we get this. See example number 26. See example number 26. If y equal to e raised to x sin x cos x, find dy by dx. Here are three functions. Here are three functions. See here. We use one formula here, sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, or these two goes in divide. Sin 2 theta divided by 2 will be sin theta cos theta. So we combine this sin x cos x by using this formula. So sin x into cos x becomes sin 2x divided by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Take these two outside, d by dx of e raised to x sin 2x. So here again two function in multiplication. E raised to x is the first function, sin 2x is the second function. So we use multiplication rule here. Multiplication rule is here. Multiplication rule is that left first function differentiate second plus left second function differentiate first. We left first function derivative of second plus we left second function derivative of first. Or as we know that sin 2x is a composite function. Sin 2x is a composite function. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Or we take again derivative of 2x because of composite function. Or as we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay. See here, e raised to x is in both terms. That's why it will be common. Or after that we got this step. See example number 27. Y equal to log x square e raised to x, find dy by dx. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. As we know that derivative of y is dy by dx. D by dx of log x square e raised to x. See here, derivative of, we know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x, means that whatever in the side of log, it goes to down. Log के जो भी side में रहेगा वो down में आएगा, और after that it's derivative. Okay, so inside the log is x square e raised to x, so it goes to down, or after that its derivative. Or again we use here multiplication rule in x square is to x. So we'll have first function which is x square x, or second function is e raised to x. We'll have first function or take the derivative of e raised to x, which is e raised to x. We'll have e raised to x or take the derivative of x square x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x by the formula of x raised to n. In this we take x e raised to x common from both term. X e raised to x common from both term. X is remaining from first term or 2 is remaining from second term. After that x e raised to x cancel from numerator, we got this term. Okay, thank you.